And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 94. Let me show you how to create and adjust grids. Already shown you in the last tutorial we can create these guides out of our rulers, but this is not a grid. We'll find under view, yet again the guides, but above where it says show, you can activate the grid. Just left click and it should be active. You cannot directly adjust it right here. So under show you won't find any options, even down here, the extra options. You have to go to Edit Preferences and then go to Guides, Grid and Slices. The grid options should be right here. You can adjust the color and the style of the line. So if you want to make that dashed or dotted, give that a different color, you can do that here. Most importantly though is the line below. Here you can set the grid lines, so how many of these squares you want to have. So let's for example use inches, and now you can see it's 0.39, so now it accepts these values below 1. Let me set that to pixels. I'll make that 120. Subdivisions will go a little bit lower. And now I want to adjust that slightly so that we have it right here at the bottom right. So all I do is left click on this box and then I use the arrow keys upwards, and then it goes in 0.1 increments up until I have my subdivision right here at the canvas at 121.8. So this is where you can actually adjust the size of it and all of these subdivisions. Your elements now should snap to this grid by default. If this is not the case, well then it's because under view it's activated, but under snap to right below here, grid isn't checked. So mine is, therefore it snaps. I left click on it and now it doesn't snap anymore. I go to view, snap to, check it again, and now it snaps. And that's about it. This is how you can create and adjust grids in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.